Terry dudes, I'm making a video because after I got a Mac, I found out that using the CAC for military websites is actually kind of frustrating to figure out how to configure your MacBook or MacBook Air properly to use. So this video is specifically for accessing DTS to file your vouchers from home. You're going to want to use Safari instead of Chrome, the latest version of the Apple software. There's issues with Java running on Chrome, so you're going to use Safari. The first place you're going to want to go to is militarycac.com. Seems like a good website for information. That's where I really had to dig in to find out how to do this. So I just typed in DTS on Mac. Click on this link. And these three links are a good place to check to see if your computer is running the correct Java software, and also the secondary software that it uses for DTS called dbSign. If you don't have the right Java installed, or if you don't even think that you have Java installed at all, click on this and you can follow the instructions to install Java. After you get it installed, you can test it here. At first, this web page was not showing this Java info to indicate that Java was running properly. What I did was just click on it, and it asked me to trust this website to see what you want. So after Java is working properly, click here to test the secondary software that DTS uses called dbSign. Right now I have it configured to where it will not operate correctly. You get this 305 error. So what you do is you go to Safari, Preferences, make sure that this is checked for Allow Plugins on Security. Then you click Plugin Settings. And I go through all the options down the line to find demodbsign.com and run in unsafe mode. Trust. That's the only way that I've gotten it to configure properly for that dbSign. Unsafe mode. I don't know if every single one of these needs to be configured, but that's what I did to get it to work properly. Unsafe mode. Cool. So after we do that, click Done, exit out of that, and rerun the test to see if it works. Cool, so Java's working properly. Click this for dbSign. Run. Boom. dbSign is initialized properly. Cool, so next thing we do, go to DTS. Log in. It's going to ask you to trust it. So this is that dbSign software that it's using. So right now I have it configured to where there's a login error. There's a problem. Alright, so what I did to get it to work was the same thing. Go into the plugin settings, and anywhere it says DTS, I do the same thing. Unsafe mode. unsafe mode. Cool. So in all these selections, I have the DTS website configured for unsafe mode. Go back to DTS. All right, so we're in. Got DTS working, and if you have any other questions or comments, just go ahead and type it in at the bottom. See ya.